On a cozy rainy morning, the family wakes to soft pattering and turns the day into a warm, playful quest. In small teams, they transform the room into cardboard kingdoms, racing boats and swapping goofy jokes along the way. A quiet moment arrives as teamwork meets hiccups, showing how patience turns chaos into bright memories. They film a rooftop picnic, share 3 things they're grateful for, and invite viewers to add moments. Sunset dinner becomes a celebration of tiny wins and imperfect joy, inviting empathy beyond the screen.